SSLC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳ ಈ ಸರಣಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂನ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ದ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions. Incomplete statements. Only one of them is correct or most appropriate. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with its letter of alphabet in your answer booklet. Nodi, each carries 1 mark. Total 8 questions. Constantinople was called as the gateway of European trade because Constantinople was the capital of Byzantine Empire. Italians has monopoly on trade. Constantinople was a land route for trade with eastern countries. Constantinople was captured by the Turks. And the reason ಏನು? Why it is called gateway of European trade? You have to choose the right answer. The First World War came to an end with a Treaty of Versailles, Paris, Geneva, Tashkent. With which treaty the First World War came to an end? You must know. The article of our constitution which provides equal rights for work and wages for women is Article 20, 39, 93, 41. Which article? Equal rights for work and wages for women. The total value of all goods and services produced in a country during 1 year is per capita income, real national income, human development index, national income. Choose the correct answer. Write with A, B, C, D, whichever you find right. A condition that affects the physical and psychological growth of children negatively is child trafficking, hunger, child labor, child sexual violence. The first roundtable conference remained incomplete because as no representation given to untouchable community. It was held in London. No religious representation. INC means Indian National Congress did not participate. Why it is incomplete? The right answer you have to choose. The most important agro industry in India is cotton, sugar, paper, jute. Chipko movement was a labor movement, environment movement, farmers movement, women's movement. Which movement? ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಚಿಪ್ಕೋ ಚಳುವಳಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. Like that you have to find the correct answer. Answer the following questions in a sentence each. What is meant by land utilization? What did Gandhi believe would drive out the British from India? Which incident started the Second World War? When and where the first labor union established? Which was the treaty signed to stop Second Anglo-Mysore War? Which is the oldest and still existing newspaper in India? The policy of keeping safe distance from both the power blocks, USA and USSR, was known as. When is World Consumer Day celebrated? See here, each question carries 1 mark. Total 8 questions, 8 marks. Next, answer the following questions in 3 to 4 sentences each. Each carries 2 marks. Total 8 questions, 16 marks. Explain the importance of Northern Great Plains. What were the results of Third Carnatic War? Why is child labor problem increasing day by day? Or untouchables were kept out from others illustrate. How does horticulture help economic development in India? How did subsidiary alliance control Indian provinces? Nearly 60% of total irrigated area is from well irrigation. Why? What are the achievements of Lenin as the president of Russia? Women self help groups are supportive to women empowerment. Justify. Answer the following questions in 5 to 6 sentences each. What were the impacts of British land tax system in India? What were the conditions that made Dandiya Wag revolt against the British? Explain the causes of effects of landslides. How do Panchayat Raj institutions help in rural development? How is entrepreneur different from entrepreneurship? Unemployment has become a huge problem in India. Why? Explain the use of Ramakrishna Mission. What is e-money? What are the advantages of using plastic money? What are the measures undertaken for the removal of religious regional imbalances? ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಅಸಮಾನತೆಗಳು. Efficient transport is essential for economic growth of India. Justify. ನೋಡಿ, each questions you have to answer in 5 to 6 sentences. Each carries 3 marks. Total 9 questions, 27 marks. Answer the following question in 6 sentences each. The role of Bal Gangadhar Tilak in Indian freedom movement is indispensable. Justify. How did USA come out of its great economic depression? Explain the factors affecting the distribution of population. What are the measures needed for the eradication of unemployment? See here, each question carries 4 marks. Total 4 questions, 16 marks. Draw an outline map of India and mark the following by naming them. Satpura Range, 23½ degree latitude, Mangaluru, Srinagar. First you have to draw the map of India and then mark the following. 1 plus 4 equal to 5. For map 1 mark and for marking each 1 mark. Total 5 marks. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪಾಠ, ಪದ್ಯ, ಗದ್ಯ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ, ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗದವರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ, ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನನ್ನು ಆನ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ವಂದನೆಗಳು.